So hello everyone, I welcome all of you back on my channel, which is Eduinfly, and today we are going to talk about rolling returns. We'll understand what are rolling returns and we'll understand how they are calculated. Generally, when you compare the mutual fund schemes or any investment portfolio, you see a return of that particular scheme. And when you see it, you generally go for CAGR, that is compounded annual growth rate. That can be for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, any period of time which you want to take. But if you break up that CAGR in brackets, let's say bracket of 1 year, bracket of 2 year, 1 month, 1 quarter. So once you break up that CAGR in different brackets, and that bracket is nothing but it's a specific period of time, that is basically called a rolling returns. Rolling returns can be very useful for analyzing the returns better because it gives you clear picture what has been the performance in the doldrums of the market, and let's say when market was doing good, right? So let's take an example from 2010 to 2020. I have taken the Nifty and figure as on December, right? So I want to calculate returns like this: 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14. So my point of idea is this, that I want to calculate a 1 year period of return like this: 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, and 14, 15, right? If I want, I further break it down. How it is, I'll tell you. Let's say I want to calculate a return from 31st December to 2010 to 31st December 2011. Then 1st of January 2011 to 1st of January 2012, right? Again, this is a period of 1 year only, right? So if I want, I can break up this 1 year period like this also, right? These 12 months can be so 2nd January 2011 to 2nd January 2012, right? So I can have any ways and means by which I can have that specific period of time and can calculate the rolling returns, right? Definitely in this, if I take the 12 months like this, the entries will be very, the number of entries will be very high, right? So here I have 10 to 11 entries only, right? So I'll calculate now rolling return. How to do it on Excel? It's very simple. So first of all, I have to calculate returns from 2010 to 2011. So my cell will be this 2011. यहाँ पे मुझे return calculate करना है. Equals to RRI is my formula. Bracket open. NPI will be 1. For 1 year, I'm calculating. PV is this 5903 and future value is 4714. Remember, in this formula, don't use minus sign with PV. Otherwise, you will not have your value. Press enter. Definitely it will be negative. Just drag it. Now you can see that I have Nifty return of 1 year period of time over this 2010 to 2020. If I want, for my better understanding, if I want to convert this into a chart, I can definitely do it by doing just simply making a chart. So you can see this, right? So here you can see this, that you have a Nifty which went up to more than 20% in 1 year period of time, and then it has went up more than 30% also in 1 year period of time, right? So this is how basically we've calculated for 1 year. Now we can calculate for 2 years also, right? So when I make the brackets of 2 year, this is 2010 to 12, this is 2011 to 13, then 12 to 14, then 13 to 15, then 14 to 16. That's how I'll make the group of 2 years. Now, at 2012, what is my return? RRI. You can simply use rate formula also if you want. NPR is 2, PV is this, and FV is this. So hardly there is any return, right? So you can see this. And then just drag it. So now you have 2 years return, right, in the bracket of 2 years. Again, you can plot it on a chart. Here it is, right? So while seeing this chart, what I can come out with this, that if I see 1 year rolling return, I can see the Nifty is so much volatile because in 1 year it is going up by more than 30% and going down more than 20%. But hardly I can see any return in 2 years specific period of time. The returns are negative, barring this, where is returns are flat kind of returns, right? So you can analyze any mutual fund scheme returns or Nifty returns on the base of rolling returns. I hope that you must have understood what are rolling returns, how they are calculated. if you have any question to ask, please, you're welcome to ask this question. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll be coming with more such videos. Thank you so much.